Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and sun-kissed streets of Lisbon, Portugal's stunning capital. From historic landmarks to hip neighborhoods and everything in between, we've curated the ultimate list of the top 15 places you can't miss in this coastal city. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Please leave "Use I subscribed" in the comments. Number 1. Belém Tower. Our first stop takes us to the iconic Belém Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This fortress stands tall on the Tagus River's edge, narrating tales of Portugal's rich maritime history. Don't forget to snap a picture against the backdrop of the river and the tower. Number 2. Jerónimos Monastery. Right nearby is the awe-inspiring Jerónimos Monastery, another UNESCO gem. Its intricate Manueline architecture will leave you in awe. Plus, it's the final resting place of Vasco da Gama himself. Number 3. Alfama District. Wander through the charming alleys of Alfama, the oldest neighborhood in Lisbon. It's a maze of narrow streets, vibrant graffiti, and fado music pouring out of local taverns. Make sure to get lost in its labyrinthine streets to stumble upon cozy cafes and hidden viewpoints. Number 4. São Jorge Castle. Head up the hill to São Jorge Castle for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The castle's history dates back to the Moorish era, making it a must-see spot for history buffs. Don't forget to take a leisurely walk along the castle walls for an even better view of Lisbon's stunning landscape. Number 5. Chiado and Bairro Alto. Immerse yourself in Lisbon's artsy side by exploring the lively districts of Chiado and Bairro Alto. Expect art galleries, stylish boutiques, and a buzzing nightlife. During the day, shop for unique souvenirs and art pieces, and by night, join the locals for drinks and live music in the quaint bars and clubs. Number 6. Rocio Square. A hub of activity and a great starting point for your adventures, Rocio Square is where locals and tourists mingle. Grab a coffee at a nearby cafe and soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere. Take a moment to admire the stunning neo-Manueline Rocio Station building, an architectural gem in its own right. Number 7. LX Factory. For a more contemporary vibe, head to LX Factory, a creative hub housed in an old industrial complex. Explore concept stores, trendy restaurants, and vibrant street art. The industrial chic setting is perfect for photos, and you'll find unique gifts and artistic creations at the various shops. Number 8. Lisbon's historic trams. Hop on one of Lisbon's iconic historic trams and embark on a charming journey through the city's colorful neighborhoods. Tram 28 is especially popular, taking you through narrow streets and up the hilly alleys of Alfama and Graça. It's not just a convenient mode of transportation but also an unforgettable sightseeing experience. Number 9. 25 de Abril Bridge. Take a stroll along the Tagus River and admire the stunning 25 de Abril Bridge, often compared to San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge. It's a great spot for some Insta-worthy shots. For an even better view, head to the nearby Santuario Nacional de Cristo Rey, where you can enjoy a panoramic vista of Lisbon and the bridge from a different perspective. Number 10. Lisbon Oceanarium. Dive deep into the Lisbon Oceanarium, one of the world's largest and most impressive aquariums. Get up close and personal with fascinating marine life from various ecosystems. Make it an educational and entertaining experience by attending one of the scheduled feeding sessions and educational talks. Number 11. Miradoro da Senhora do Monte. End your Lisbon adventure with a breathtaking view of the city from Miradoro da Senhora do Monte, one of the most scenic viewpoints in Lisbon. Located atop the highest hill in the Graça neighborhood, this spot offers a panoramic vista of the city's iconic red rooftops, the Tagus River, and the São Jorge Castle. It's the perfect place to catch the sunset and take stunning photographs. Number 12. Parque das Nações. Once an expo site, Parque das Nações has transformed into a modern neighborhood with futuristic architecture. Enjoy riverside walks and take a ride on the cable car for stunning views. While you're here, explore the Oceanário de Lisboa, Lisbon Oceanarium, once again and try some water sports at the nearby Tajo River. Number 13. National Tile Museum. Discover the captivating history of Portuguese azulejos, tiles, at the National Tile Museum. You'll be mesmerized by the intricate designs and vibrant colors. Number 14. LX Palace, Palácio de Queluz. Take a short trip outside the city to LX Palace, a breathtaking Rococo-style palace that will transport you back in time to Portugal's royal era. Number 15. Santa Justa Lift. Our final stop is the Santa Justa Lift, an ornate iron elevator connecting Baixa and Carmo Square. Hop aboard for a unique way to see Lisbon from above. Once you reach the top, climb the spiral staircase to the viewing platform for jaw-dropping views of the city's charming rooftops and beyond. And there you have it, our adventure through the top 15 places to visit in Lisbon. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave I subscribed in the comment for more travel tips and destination guides. Also, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Share your Lisbon experiences in the comments below, and let us know if there are other cities you'd like us to explore next. Visit our website, touristsimon.com, for more information. Until next time, happy travels!